today? My name's Eric. As always, I want to thank you for coming by and checking out my video today. On this episode of Smo'King, I'm going to show you how to make the ultimate Italian grinder sandwich. We got some ham, some pepperoni, some salami, some prosciutto, some provolone cheese, lettuce, tomato, some olive oil, and red wine vinegar. Man, this is one of my favorite sandwiches of all time. And you know what? It's kind of a cold, rainy day today. It's kind of hot and humid. I want to do something inside, and look, this is a perfect sandwich. One of my favorites, like I said, guys. So stick around. I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. Let's get cooking. Alright guys, the secret of a good sandwich is the bread. So we got a good, what would you call this? Italian roll, hoagie roll. We picked up from our local store here. We're going to slice this in half.
Well, we're going to go down this way.
Yeah, well yeah, in half, right down the center. And we're going to like heat this up in the oven. We're going to get a little toasty. You know, I like a little toast on my Italian sandwich, submarine,
of course,
torpedo, whatever you want to call it.
Now, what, should we like dig a little bit out like we've seen?
No, I think we should just leave it like that.
Leave it alone? Okay.
I don't like when they dig that bread.
I haven't
I
done
love
that.
Bread.
I haven't done that, but I see people do that, and I'm like, okay, well here we go. There's just.
Alright guys, so we sliced the bread, we put some butter on there, and we heated up the oven to 300 degrees, anywhere between 275 and 300. We just want to get a little bit of heat on this, toast it up slightly. So I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of garlic powder. I'm not going to over season this, guys. I just, add a little bit of spice blend. Got some Italian seasoning, just a little bit like this. I'll put it on a cookie sheet. We'll put it in the oven for a few minutes just to get this kind of toasted before we assemble the sandwich. Alright guys, be back in a minute. Alright guys, here's the bread. We took it out of the oven. It's a little toasty, not too bad. Monica's put some Duke's mayonnaise on there. Now we're going to start to make this sandwich. We're going to put some provolone cheese.
Oh, who doesn't like that? Lots of cheese.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And look, I love all kinds of sandwiches, but man, a good Italian sub, especially if I'm going to like Jersey Mike's or Togo's or any of these, I mean even Subway for that matter, although that wouldn't be called my best.
Subway's
Alright.
Subway's mediocre.
So now we'll start putting in some of the meats.
Alright, so now we're going to go with the ham. How's that sound?
Yeah, just some good old
Look at that.
fashioned ham.
You can do deli ham. I mean, that's
the old standby.
Yeah. And you don't need to go heavy on each meat. If you're going to do several meats, you don't have to go heavy.
Wow.
Right?
It's Italian.
Okay.
You want to go a little heavy.
Well, they say go light, because if you're going to add 4 or 5 meats, it's going to get heavy.
All right, now we're going to put a little...
So now we're going to do the prosciutto.
Prosciutto.
Prosciutto's next.
This stuff's expensive.
Yeah, it is. 3 ounces. Well, we got it on sale, so I can't complain. But yeah. We got it for $3.99 for 3 ounces.
$3.99 for 3 ounces.
But
there you go.
It's normally $5.99. I don't know. Other places might be cheaper. I'm just trying to...
You're tearing it apart. Just layer it on the sandwich.
Okay. I was trying to separate it, but...
There's no need to.
It's too fine.
In the same place. Okay, so prosciutto.
Okay.
Now
then we do the salami.
Salami. Woohoo! Yeah, there we go. Get those fresh deli meats. Get some good bread.
Yeah.
Man.
Layer it, baby. Make it good. Okay, so you had ham, prosciutto, salami.
And the last thing to make an Italian sub,
as
far as meats, we gotta get some pepperoni on there.
That's right. So let's finish up this. Hang on. Salami, okay.
Okay, you didn't have to put all of it on there, but okay. Now we're gonna put some pepperoni.
Yep. we're gonna just pepperoni it.
And then the classic toppings that we normally would put on an Italian sub. We got some sliced tomatoes, some red onions, some lettuce, some pepperoncinis, and then we're gonna top it off Mom's way with a little olive oil.
Oh, of course.
And
olive oil, and then you have some balsamic, you have a little salt, pepper, and pretty much just Italian seasoning.
Okay, there we go.
There you go.
All right.
There it is.
Let's get this topped off. And I'm getting hungry.
Okay.
All right. All right, guys. Next thing we're going to put on here, some red onion. Now, some people put white onion on their Italian sub, but I like red onion. It's got a little bit more of a better texture and taste for me personally, especially when it's raw.
Oh, yeah. We all like red onion in this house. We like all onions, but red onion has its own little...
There we go.
It's more subtle, I think.
All right.
Okay, I just want to make sure we have enough. Okay.
We got plenty.
All right. Then we're going to do lettuce.
Get some shredded lettuce on here. Oh, man. Who doesn't like a good sandwich, especially a sandwich like this? Woo, you're getting it all over the place.
Sorry. Well, try to be quick.
Throw it on there. Okay. All right. And then, last but not least, some tomato slices. Then we gotta, of course, put that Mom's way. All right, look at this, guys. Man, oh man. All right.
Oh, pepperoncinis. Forgot about those.
Next, we're gonna put on some pepperoncinis. A little bit of spice.
Yeah, we like those, but I gotta dig them out a little because we've been using them. We've been eating these sandwiches a lot.
Yeah, we've been doing a couple of these Italian sandwiches. That's why I decided to do this today, guys.
Summertime. I mean, it's like
summertime,
perfect.
good sandwich. It's light. Don't have to heat up the kitchen.
There you go.
Man, look at that. Okay.
We all love this. There we go. I think we're
We're
good.
gonna put a little bit of some seasoning with some.
We're gonna do a little salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. That's pretty much all we do. We have a little dash of salt. Look at that. Boom. We do a little pepper.
There we go.
Okay. And then we do a little Italian seasoning. And then we'll add all the good juicy stuff because that makes it soak in better when you do that juicy stuff last.
Okay. So we got some olive oil here.
A little extra virgin olive oil. But I wish I had one of those little spouts, but I don't, so I have to be very careful. So
No, it's fine.
See that?
Well, we get that bread a little soppy anyway with an
Okay.
Italian sub.
And then we do a little balsamic. I like the tastefully simple, but you have to buy that through like it's like Pampered Chef and all that, but I really like theirs. But you can get it anywhere. Here we go. Gotta be really careful not to do too much. Oh geez, it's hard. It pours fast. There you go.
There we go. We'll get this put together, slice it up. All right, guys, look at this sandwich. Woo! Put this top piece of bread on top. All right, we're gonna slice this up. Give this a taste in just a second. Man, oh man, that's what I call Italian sub, hoagie, torpedo. Call it what you want, man. But to me, this is one of the most classic sandwiches of all time. I love it. Okay, guys, be back in a second. All right, guys, here we are. Woohoo! It's kind of falling apart. I'm gonna slice this into. Let's slice it in half first. Then I'm gonna slice it in the quarters here. Let's just take one piece because I know you guys are interested. Look at that, guys. That's what I call an Italian sub. Ooh, Got some oil and vinegar, some spices. All right, welcome back, guys. I'm here with my family, my son Kyle, my wife Monica. All right, guys,
Hi.
grab a napkin because these are a little moist. Your favorite word.
Yeah.
And grab one, Kyle. I don't know which one you want. You want an end piece or you want the center piece? Center cut. Ooh,
I don't know.
look at that.
What one should I grab?
Yeah.
Either one you want. Grab one.
Grab this one.
Okay, there you go. Ooh.
There you go. That's a good one, Kyle.
I'll grab this
I think.
one. Look at that,
All
guys.
right.
Oh, okay. We might have to eat a little bit over the cutting board. All right, guys. One of
Yeah.
my favorite sandwiches, the classic Italian sub hoagie grinder submarine,
It's a
whatever you
grinder,
want to
yeah.
call it.
All right.
Just he's picking up scraps. What do you think, Al?
Good.
Man, good old classic Italian sub. That oil and vinegar gives it a little bit of
Good.
moisture. The pepperoncinis.
It's good. Good.
No, pepperoncinis, a little bit of spice. Like I said, there's a reason why this is one of my favorite sandwiches. Just perfect combination of meats and cheese.
No,
With
it's.
that dressing, the oil.
Oh yeah, that makes a difference.
You know, you think?
Balsamic. It gives it a little sweet to mix with the like salty of the meats.
What do you think, Al?
It's good.
Good.
Yeah, this is good. I can't even talk anymore. You gotta end this because I've gotta eat this. This is too crazy good.
Yeah, and
Really.
really, if you're gonna go through the hassle of doing this, get a good bread like this, because man, this bread, huh?
That's so good.
It's able to soak up a little bit of that oil, but still have a little bit of
Yeah.
hold its texture together.
I'm in heaven right now. This is good. And so is Dixie.
As always, guys, I appreciate you watching my video. If you like the video, please hit the like button. The logo on my shirt is the logo on the bottom of the screen. Please click on that and subscribe to my channel. It really helps my channel grow. And I'll leave a link above and below to my website, ericsmokingbbq.com, where I have all my video recipes and video links, photos, a whole bit. And I appreciate you guys stopping by. Woo.
Yeah, thanks guys.
One more time. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Wow, this
This
is a
is
good
good.
sandwich, huh?
Even Kyle's enjoying it.
He doesn't say much, you know he's liking it.
That is good. I do like it.
Oh yeah.
Very good. Alright guys, we'll see you next time. So thanks for stopping by.
Bye.